How do companies scale rapidly with decentralized decision-making? Imagine a busy city where traffic lights are controlled by a central office. Now picture a city where each intersection manages its own lights based on real-time traffic. Which city do you think moves faster? Companies that use decentralized decision-making operate more like the second city. They give decision rights to smaller teams or units, allowing them to act quickly without waiting for a central boss. This approach helps companies respond faster to market changes and customer needs. When decisions are made closer to where the work happens, companies can innovate and adapt much more rapidly. Decentralized decision-making means pushing authority down to the people who are closest to the customers or the work. Instead of a few top leaders making all choices, teams at different levels get the power to decide within their scope. This speeds things up because it cuts down on delays caused by waiting for approval from higher up. For example, a sales team might decide on a special promotion without waiting for approval from the headquarters, saving days or even weeks. Effective delegation is a big part of this. Leaders need to clearly define what decisions team members can make and what they need to ask permission for. Giving team members the right information and authority helps them make confident decisions. When people trust their teammates to handle tasks, everyone feels more responsible and motivated. This trust builds a sense of ownership, which makes teams more committed to their goals. To grow quickly, companies often organize into small, cross-functional teams. Think of these teams as tiny independent units that can act on opportunities or solve problems fast. Each team looks for chances to improve or grow in their area and then takes action without waiting for instructions. This way, many teams work together like a fleet of sailboats, each navigating its own course but moving in the same direction. While teams have the freedom to make decisions, the company still needs to keep everyone aligned. This is done through clear goals, shared values, and regular communication. For example, a company might set a strategic goal to improve customer satisfaction, and each team then makes decisions that support this overall aim. This balance keeps the organization unified even as individual teams operate independently. Tools and frameworks also help manage decentralized decision-making. The RAPID model is one example. It clarifies who recommends a decision, who agrees, and who actually makes the final call. This makes the process transparent and accountable. Visual collaboration tools like shared online boards or communication platforms help teams stay connected and track decisions, even if they are working from different locations. Technology plays a key role too. Cloud services, data analytics, and instant messaging allow teams to work independently but stay connected. These tools ensure that everyone has access to the same information and can coordinate quickly. For example, a marketing team in one country can launch a campaign based on real-time data from another region without waiting for approval from headquarters. For first-time managers and young professionals, understanding how to delegate effectively is essential. They need to learn how to trust their team members, provide clear boundaries, and communicate expectations well. Giving team members the resources they need and avoiding micromanagement helps build confidence and independence. In the end, companies that grow fast with decentralized decision-making succeed because they empower teams to act swiftly, stay aligned with company goals, and use the right tools to coordinate. This approach creates a flexible, innovative environment where everyone can contribute to rapid growth and success.